and welcome to Ru's Kitchen and Garden. So today again it's 6:15 and I'm on the terrace. This was my post dinner walk, but I found something very alarming. So I thought I should handle this first, and I also thought I should make a vlog out of this because a lot of people deal with this problem. So let's look at the problem right now that I'm looking at, and I'll show you what I'm doing about it. So see, this is my mulberry plant, and they have nice mulberries. You know, when I'd gone to India, I told you these mealy bugs had attacked some of my plants, and I tried all my, everything like gomutra, this that, and I think this problem is really serious and grave right now. So this requires, these ants bring them, like I've told you all the time. You see these leaves, I'm cutting all the leaves. Even then, like, all the leaves have massive infestation. The next step, if I don't stop this, would be to really, like, what do you say, lose an arm. If you, when it comes to surgery and the doctors think that this can cause gangrene, you lose an arm. What will happen is, if the infestation doesn't stop, see, this is my eggplant plant, it's died because these mealybugs have sucked out the juice out of it, and they're doing it for all the plants. Only this much is left now. So now I have my neem oil and I have my gomutra, which I'm going to spray, and I'm going to religiously spray it every damn day. But having said that, if it's possible for you, literally tilt the pot, and what you can do is wash it off, hose it down. So you see now the hose, and you see the dead bodies of these mealybugs everywhere. So I'm going to do that, hose this down nicely, and then I'm going to dilute the neem oil with water and also cow urine, and I'm going to spray it. But first, now I first need to remove the problem from the root. So I will wash them all down, and then I will spray neem oil on it. And of course, I will let you know the update. So that's it, short vlog to deal with this problem. Thank you for watching. Bye.